So as I keep walking, I nearly reached the river. So now the pathway here is much narrower. So still a lot of ivy, and then there's also lots of this, which is Acer negundo and elm. But Acer negundo is an acer from North America. So again, it's an invasive. Okay, we can discuss what's an invasive, but anyway, it's not a yeah, it's not typical of here anyway. It's an introduced species, let's put it that way. So here's the river, and now the trail bends a little bit, but I'll get to a spot in a moment in which there'll be more views. There you go. One can tell even from here, from looking at the soil, that there's been floods from time to time. The area was flooded. And look at this now. It's all the mud and the river there. But I have to go there from the other location with the other trail, because just because of what I was saying before, it's too muddy. So be easier from here. Elm. Nice stand of trees. And now the river is quite close, and we'll soon be in sight of it. Very muddy here though. Like I was saying, that's the river. It's very muddy here, the trail. I'll just try and get there from here, which is a bit drier. And the cicadas. I remember there's a waterfall, but I think I can kind of hear it. So let's see if I can film all the way there. This is more Acer negundo. This is getting louder. And the cicadas as well. Here we go, this is the spot I had in mind. That's it. There you go. I might try and get there. I think I have to take off my shoes. Questo è Reno Riva.